Here's what I ate over the weekend as a healthy, busy, plant-based mom who was at home away from work. Before you move any further with this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my plant-based inspiration. Here's a coffee that I really enjoy. It's by sigmatic. It is a mushroom-infused coffee. If you've been watching my videos a while, you know I love adaptogens and anything infused with mushrooms because they have all sorts of amazing benefits. Love my coffee in the morning. Berkeley woke up and asked for toast right away. So this is a sourdough brand from Natural Grocers that we have been enjoying. It is a very healthy bread. I get breads that are mostly sprouted, never refined white bread or anything like that. Just healthy grains. She also had an avocado to put on top that I put on top of the toast, an organic pear. Pears are really good right now that it's winter time where I'm at. Pears are on the Dirty Dozen list, so it's great to buy these organic. And sometimes Berkeley will like to just scrape the avocado off of her toast. Sometimes she'll eat it on the toast. Sometimes she'll just want avocado. Sometimes she'll just want toast. I really never know until I have put the food in front of her and see what she does. So nonetheless, I just keep providing her the foods, and the way that she eats them, that's up to her. I've got this grain-free granola that we've been enjoying that I've been adding to her meals as a healthy fat, and that came from Target. It's even made with coconut sugar because I wouldn't give it to her if it had actual sugar, and it's love me some coconut sugar. And I thought, well, it's the weekend. Let me make her some yummy juice. So I've got some fresh apples here. I would love to have said these are organic apples. Apples are also on the Dirty Dozen list, so it is good to buy these organic when possible. Of course, that is a little more on the pricey side, and I got these from Aldi's because I try to get most of my groceries from Aldi's. It's like a Trader Joe's. Try some juice. It's really good. Yeah, you know what that is? Apple and carrot juice.
Apple carrot juice.
Yes. You love it?
I like juice.
Good. Who could resist but eat a nice, beautiful, big, juicy pear in the morning? So today, Saturday morning, I am spending the first half of the day going to organize Berkeley's room, and so I'm going to eat while I work and take those pauses to make sure I do eat. I had a pear just now, an organic pear. I'm going to make some breakfast quinoa. Quinoa is great for getting you energy, sustainable energy. I'm gonna add a little bit of maple syrup with it and probably add another pear or some apples on top and some cinnamon. It's so good. Will keep me nice and full and energized. Did you know that like back in the day, way far back in the day, a certain, I forget where, is it the Aztecs? Some group back in the day before war would like fill up on quinoa because it was like this super powerful food. And so they would like take it with them into battle. So they would have it and it would keep them nourished and give them energy. Like how cool is that? And I may be misspeaking on who it was. I'll have to like look that up and maybe come back and correct myself. But just know that's how powerful it is. So I'm going to start off making this quinoa by boiling some water along with a cup of quinoa, and it's 2 cups of water to be exact. I wanted to talk a little bit about my Rilari Metabolism Lifespan chocolates. You've seen, if you've watched my videos in the past, that I do enjoy to take these daily, sometimes twice a day. So these are really, really great, and let me tell you why. Not only do they help improve the quality of your sleep, but they also help to regulate gut health. And the coolest thing is when I'm maybe craving something sweet and don't want to start eating something that maybe isn't for my greatest and highest good, I can grab one of these. The cacao in these really help to curb that sweet tooth craving. So they help for a multitude of reasons, but this is what I have found most rewarding as of late is the fact that I can just pop one in my mouth when I have a sweet craving and I'm fulfilled and satisfied. So as always, I am chopping up my apples. I love to have apples with my dishes. They are a fruit that is really great for me and my body. Apples are also very good for gut health. I have a friend that read a book and it said you can literally eat all of the apple seed, core, everything, and it's supposed to be exceptionally great for your gut health. I haven't got to that level yet, but I do eat almost the whole thing. So I am again out of my oat milk that I make my own. It's on back order. I don't like to buy store-bought oat milk, but I have some almond milk here because I am waiting for my oat milk powder to come in, so that way I can start making my own fresh oat milk again. Here's my beautiful quinoa. It is so, so, so good. You see my bananas, my apples. I added some more cinnamon. This is a delectable, amazing treat. If you have never tried quinoa with maple syrup, please try it out. It is so amazing. I discovered this a few weeks back, maybe a month ago. Breakfast quinoa is amazing. Oh my gosh. Try it out. You good?
I got yours.
Good. Looks like someone made quinoa because it's all over the floor. Staying hydrated with my alkaline water, of course, all throughout the day, especially since I'm moving my body so much. I've got a banana here. It's helping to keep me nourished and give me some sustainable energy. So it is time to eat. I am so grateful that I've got so many leftovers. If you didn't see my video that I posted before this one on the different types of potato recipes I made in an entire week, check it out. I made some potato soup, a lot of other yummy things, some potato curries, some other stuff. So I get to eat today for my leftovers since I'm home on a weekend. What a nice treat. Got these yummy leftovers that I made. Normally it's the opposite. I cook on the weekends and then I've got stuff during the week, but I cooked during the week and now I have it for the weekend. So it's kind of a switch, but it's so nice. So I get to eat this yummy, nourishing potato soup. I'm gonna load up on some veggies as well, maybe some Brussels sprouts. I think, where's some broccoli? Probably Brussels sprouts. Heat those up, load up on those first, and then eat my bowl of soup. So I'm sticking to the 50-50 plate method. So I wanted to say thank you so much. You guys are the best. My last video when I was talking about how I don't want to waste the tomato paste and I don't know what to do with the remainder of it, you guys had so many comments and suggestions on what you do and what you said I could do. Like, for instance, putting it in ice cube trays and freezing it and then using it later. That was brilliant. Thank you, baby. Oat milk, oat milk, oat milk. She's asking me if I want milk and I'm telling her I want oat milk. So, and you also had a great suggestion about making it into a yummy sauce with like a type of mustard or something. I got to go back and look, but I'm definitely going to try that. Thank you guys all so much for the wonderful feedback. I'm loving our little community we have going here, and it's just makes me so happy. I get so excited every time I get to come read a comment because it's always something helpful, something sweet and encouraging and just lovely. And you know, they say put yourself out there and then your tribe will find you. So I'm just grateful for the tribe. Here is Berkeley's lunch. She's got a big sweet potato here, a nice yummy sweet potato rich in vitamin C and healthy starch, some organic peas, some avocado, and some organic pear. So look at this. This is preloading at its finest. I've been eating my veggies lately out of this little old school Corningware beautiful vintage piece here. Thank you, Mom. So look, I've got my Brussels sprouts. I have added a little bit of oil-free hummus, and I've got some sauerkraut on top. And this makes eating my veggies even more enjoyable. So I'm eating literally a whole bag of Brussels sprouts, and then I'm gonna follow it up with my soup. But like, Brussels sprouts are so filling. So yeah, filling up on tons and tons of veggies and a little bit of my hummus for my dipping sauce. And yeah, setting myself up for success. Look at my girl smash that whole sweet potato. That was a big one. It's all gone. Berkeley, you ate all your sweet potato?
I want mine.
You want more? Oh, okay. After eating all that big bowl of veggies, I had some of my potato soup, my leftover potato soup, even though I was nice and full from those Brussels sprouts and I think my hummus and all of that. So it really helped to keep me full. I'm having another one of my Relari Metabolism melts. So you heard me share about these earlier. I will be including a discount code below if you guys want to try these out. When I'm home on the weekends, I always like to make one little fun dish, or at least one dish, sometimes multiple. But I wanted to make one of those Broccoli Mom cakes. If you guys don't follow Broccoli Mom, she is amazing. She makes all kinds of fun recipes that promote fun weight loss. And so I wanted to make one of her chocolate cakes. And it's basically just a blender cake where you put everything in the blender. And I love to snack on some applesauce. If you've been watching my videos, you know I love to just dunk my head back and take some applesauce in from time to time. It's really good. I like the organic kind. So after I blended up my cake mix, I put it all in a pan and then put it in the oven. I think it was for 25 minutes. And look, this is like a legit cake. It reminded me of baked oats, but I put some cacao in it. It called for cocoa in the recipe, but I always use cacao instead. So I'm literally about to have some broccoli and some cake. What a great combination. Broccoli and cake. Broccoli and cake. How fun. And look how beautiful this is. I didn't wait till it cooled or anything. I just scooped it all on my plate. So of course it looks not intact because it's, still cooling, but I just wanted to eat it. And of course I'm lowering the calorie density of my meal by loading up with all these amazing veggies. And of course my cake has been commandeered by the food thief. And I never mind because I love that she's eating healthy, nutritious food. This cake literally has beans in it. Look how she's eating it and scooping it up and putting it on her spoon. So later I made myself some oatmeal. And of course she's asking for my oatmeal. But I wanted to fill myself up since she ate a lot of the cake. And she got very upset when I tried to take some bites of the cake. So I just made myself some oatmeal. It is Sunday morning and Berkeley wanted one of these bagels. Those are the sprouted, all healthy, oil-free bagels from Natural Grocers. They've got all healthy grains in them, and I made her, gave her a little snack. It's the cashew and date bar, as well as some mango. And I am making myself some breakfast now. I'm chopping up a yummy, big organic cucumber. I'm going to take some sauerkraut and some oil-free hummus, and I'm going to have some bagels as well. So I'm going to toast these. These bagels are, oh my gosh, they are so amazing. And I love to put oil-free hummus and sauerkraut on either toast or bagels. It's like the yummiest combination. You've got to try this out. It's really, really yummy because the crunch of the toast, first of all, and then you've got the sour and the savory flavors all together. It's literally my favorite combo. So again, I'm lowering the calorie density of my plate by adding half my plate full of raw cucumber slices. And then I've got my lovely dressed up bagels. I'm like smiling thinking about this because it's like one of my favorite meals. So good. I got to enjoy this in the room with Berkeley, and she wanted to try some of my hummus. And later on in the day, when it came time for lunch, I got some broccoli again, and I've got my oil-free hummus. I promise you guys I'm going to make my own. I promise I'm going to make my own. You guys gave me some great recipes, and I swear I'm going to do it soon. I promise. Next time you see me, I'm going to have my own homemade hummus. I'm eating another Rillari Metabolism Melt because it's a new day, and I think I was having sugar cravings at that moment. So I ate one, and that helped take care of that. I have a leftover purple sweet potato from when I batch cooked the week before. I love the purple sweet potatoes. Have you had them? You've got to try them. They only have them at a store called Natural Grocers near me. I haven't seen them anywhere else, but they are beautiful. Oh my gosh, like they taste like cake. They're so good. You've got to try them. Purple sweet potatoes are rich in anthocyanins, and they're just so powerful. So look at all that broccoli, plate full of broccoli, helping to lower my calorie density here, get me nice and full on some green veggies. Hello. It is a little bit after 5 on a Sunday, and Berkeley just woke up from her nap. I'm getting ready to make her something to eat. You saw what I had, a lovely sweet potato with some broccoli. And yeah, I don't know, I'm gonna probably just do something easy. I'm getting ready to do prep for another 7-day plant-based challenge with another one of my coworkers. So I'm gonna prep some food for that. So stay tuned, that will be airing in a week. That way you can see what another coworker, a completely different coworker, ate and how the food did helped her, because I'm like prophesying already. I'm like, oh, how it's gonna help her, and it hasn't even happened yet. So yeah, so just stay tuned for that, and I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna make Berkeley, and then I ate obviously a late lunch, but I know I'm gonna eat some more again. Berkeley, what did you say you wanted?
I want smoothie.
You want a smoothie? Okay. So since Berkeley wanted a smoothie, I'm going to make her a smoothie. I started with some coconut water and some frozen kale. Had to pick a couple of stems out. Added some frozen organic blueberries and some frozen strawberries. 2 pitted dates. 2 scoops of EarthChimp chocolate protein probiotic powder. Some turmeric. And if you do want to try out some EarthChimp protein, my little girl loves it. It's so good. It's amazing tasting. It makes anything taste even better. And so you can use it for so much stuff. I will include a discount code below for that as well.
I liked it.
It's good?
Yeah.
Good. So it's the end of the night. I'm starting to make some meals for our next 7-day plant-based challenge for my coworker, and I'm gonna throw together some rice ramen along with some veggies. I feel like I want to do 2 of these packets and then a big thing of veggies, mix it all together, and it's gonna be good. And every time I make these, Berkeley wants some of them too. She's drank all of her smoothies. She's drinking some coconut water now. And we're just having a nice little peaceful evening at home, and I'm just getting all the meals prepared, getting so excited. But anyways, yeah, so it's been a really laid back, easy weekend full of healthy, nutritious foods. And thank you for watching. Thank you guys for always supporting my channel. If you'd like to support my channel further, you can go to buymeacoffee.com/thebusyveganmom. I am so grateful that you guys continue to show up and watch these videos. If you made it all the way through, be sure to hit the like button. It sure does help out with my algorithm. I do post videos every Monday and Friday. Look forward to seeing you guys next time. Bye-bye.